One of the top things that may help you or someone you know credit score go to the next level by getting things removed a bit more smoothly using the laws to your advantage. What up, you got Mr. Smith, point five of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and in this brief video, I want to talk to you about something that a lot of people sleep on that can help you clean up your report a bit more smoothly by using the laws to your advantage. There are laws in place to protect you as a consumer as it relates to your credit. And we don't do a lot of videos about this, but I just wanted to hit on it because I had a client. I was just looking at their report. You can probably hear the print in the background because I'm printing off some documents that's going to be mailed out today that will help clean up things on her report based on the things that I saw that can be using the laws to this particular client's advantage. And this may be the case for you as well, especially if you're someone who have gone through a lot of things in the past that cause your credit profile to kind of be tarnished, to kind of be hurt by some of your previous mistakes, some of your previous errors, or just some of your previous bad habits, to be honest. So that being said, that could be a person who may have been someone who dealt with a bankruptcy, who dealt with some collections, who dealt with charge-offs and some late payments, but it might have been a thing of the past. And because of it, it can be some things that you may be able to do in order to get them deleted. Now, there are countless strategies that you can try in order to get things deleted from your profile. But the strategy that I want to speak on specifically is the strategy centered around statute of limitation. That's right, statute of limitation. Sometimes people refer to this as SOL, short for statute of limitation, because it's one of the governing laws that pretty much determine how long a creditor can sue for payment, how long they can go to try to pursue getting paid based on whatever the account is, whether it's a collection, a charge off, or whatever the case may be. So with that being said, knowing the statute of limitation for your area could be a game changer in helping you clean up your report. The statute of limitation varies depending on where you're located. The state that you're in has its own governing statute of limitation. So make sure you understand that. Secondly, depending on the account, because the account that may be associated with a loan is different from an account that may be associated with a credit card. So if you know which type of account it is, and you know what state you're in, and a statute of limitation that governs that particular account for that particular state, that will be the determining factor of if you have an opportunity to use that law to your advantage. So as I was looking through my client's report, I saw that there was a lot of outdated things that fell outside of the statute of limitation for their state. Fortunately for them, they had a state that their statute of limitation was centered around 3 years for the most part. If it was a written or a promissory note, it was 6 years. But the other ones, such as open-ended contracts, such as written contracts, things of that nature, it was 3 years. So 3 years can pass by pretty quickly. And I saw on their account, they had quite a few things that had exceeded 3 years. So we're going to send some information and say, hey, this is outside of the statute of limitation. Please remove it. Now, there are some other things on their account as well, but I saw this at a high level, which made me want to record a video. So with that being said, maybe this video helps you. If not, if you need our assistance, definitely set up a free consultation and see if we can assist you in any way, or check out some of our information at the available link below, above, wherever you're seeing this video. So that's all I got for this video. Mr. Smith, point five of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, signing out. I know you hear my kids in the background, but I had to drop this video. Salute.